You see, it doesn't cut really. Okay, 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 okay. I can bring up for cutting tomatoes sharpness with a rod. Okay, this is my ceramic rod I use for knives below 62 HRC. 45 degrees cutting strokes. Center straight. Center straight. Okay. Regular pressure. Half pressure. Half pressure. Half pressure. Super light. Okay. Okay. This one, let me see. Doesn't cut so well. Okay. For this, I will use a diamond rod because this is ZDP steel HRC about 65, 66. I'll use a diamond rod. Oh, can you hear the sound? Okay, lightly. Okay. Done. This is how you restore your edge for good cutting.